Right, we've got some angle problems here. Now, I've labelled these isosceles triangles, equilateral triangles, parallel lines. They're obviously not going to do that in a question. So, therefore, you've got to just be a little bit careful here and isolate things. So, look for things like these here. Those mean that those sides are the same, which means that you have an isosceles triangle. Okay, so just be a little bit careful and be aware for that. So there you go. I'm just going to get rid of those so they don't confuse me for the rest of the thing. Now, if that's an isosceles triangle, so the BCD is isosceles, that means this angle is also 35. Okay, I can then, so that means, what is it, CBD is 35. You will often have to, okay, say why, and that's because that's isosceles. So isosceles. Okay, I'm going to have to go into the other box. Oh dear. Now that means I can work out this angle here, and that's going to be 110, isn't it? Because we've got angles in a triangle, so we get BDC. BDC is 110, and that's angles in a triangle. Add to 180. Okay, you can write full sentences. I can't fit them all in. Okay, and then we're going to look at various other things. So this is going to be 70. Okay, and that's because angles on a line. So that, what would that be? That would be ADB. ADB equals 70, and that's going to be angles on a line. Okay, oh, I put lines. It's a single line. Okay, alright, the adjacent angles on a line, or complementary angles, whatever you want to call them. Okay, and then from that I can work this one out, which is going to be 87, isn't it? So that's what's that, BAD or DAB, I'll call it. DAB is going to be 180 minus the 70 minus the 23, so it's going to be 87. Alright, so look, it's you can do all of that purely because of these little dashes here. So there you go. Now if we look at the second question over here, well, it's not really a question, I'm just going to use it to point stuff out. It's these here that are the crucial thing. Now there's three of them. Now if there are three of them, that means that they're all equal, so we have an equilateral triangle. So from that, and I'm just going to rub those out so we don't get confused, I know that all of these angles are 60, 60, 60. Alright? Now then, that's useful, but I want to work out all the angles in here. Now, the other thing that's important here is these arrows. Okay, now those arrows means that these sides are parallel. Now, if they're parallel, that means that this angle here is also 60 because, alright, now I'll write this, we're going to say it's MLN equals 60, and that's because we have alternate or alternate, alright, angles. Alright, so it's alternate with K, where is it, KNL. Alright, now once we've got that, then it becomes pretty easy, and we can work out this final angle here, because we've got another triangle, haven't we? Okay, so here's another triangle there. Alright, and so if they're 107, this has got to be 73. Alright, so look out for all these sorts of things. It's arrows, it's these little dashes, okay? They're absolutely crucial, but you're going to have to compartmentalize each question, alright? So you're looking at separate bits at a time.